In a move that has genuinely redefined the boundaries between artificial creativity and physical reality, Google has officially launched Nano Banana 2, an AI image generation model that does not just incrementally improve upon its predecessor but fundamentally rewrites the rules of what is possible in synthetic visual media, achieving a level of fidelity, coherence, and real-world grounding that makes its outputs virtually indistinguishable from photographs captured by a human photographer, while simultaneously introducing a suite of capabilities that verge on the surreal. Officially designated as Gemini 3.1 Flash Image ***, this latest iteration of the wildly popular Nano Banana family represents a culmination of Google's aggressive push to democratize professional-grade visual creation, taking the core architectural innovations from the high-end Nano Banana Pro and surgically implanting them into the speed-optimized Flash framework, thereby obliterating the painful trade-off between quality and latency that has plagued every previous generation of generative visual AI. The result is a system that can conjure images at resolutions scaling all the way from a humble 512 pixels to stunning, ultra-high-definition 4K, with support for a dizzying array of aspect ratios, including the ultra-wide 4:1 and 1:4 formats, ensuring that whether you're crafting a vertical social media story, a widescreen cinematic backdrop, or a detailed product mock-up, the output maintains a breathtaking sharpness, vibrant lighting, and texture so rich you can almost feel it. The speed at which this alchemy occurs is its own form of reality-breaking magic. Where Pro users previously endured a contemplative wait for quality, Flash users now experience near-instantaneous generation, effectively removing the cognitive friction between having an idea and seeing it fully realized, a shift that fundamentally changes how creators interact with a medium. What truly elevates Nano Banana 2 from a powerful tool into a reality-bending phenomenon is its deep, architectural grasp of the physical and conceptual world. Unlike its predecessors, which relied solely on their static training data, Nano Banana 2 is powered by *** real-time web search integration, ***, allowing it to access and synthesize live information and images from the internet while it generates. This imbues it with what Google calls advanced world knowledge, meaning when you ask it to visualize a specific real-world location, a recently launched product, or a current event, it doesn't just hallucinate a plausible approximation based on old data. It actively researches the subject, ensuring its output is anchored in factual accuracy. This capability alone shatters the previous limitations of AI imagery, transforming it from a tool of generic fantasy into one capable of hyper-specific grounded reality. Furthermore, the model's mastery of *** subject and object consistency *** defies the long-standing curse of generative AI, where characters and items would morph and mutate uncontrollably across generations. Now within a single workflow, Nano Banana 2 can maintain the precise resemblance of up to 5 distinct characters and the visual fidelity of up to 14 individual objects, enabling the creation of coherent narratives, storyboards, and product catalogs where the hero, product, or protagonist remains perfectly consistent from the first frame to the last. Perhaps the most unnervingly human-like capability, and the one that most profoundly breaks reality, is the model's newfound proficiency with *** text rendering and semantic understanding ***. Early image generators were famously illiterate, producing nonsensical squiggles where words should be. Nano Banana 2 renders crisp, accurate, and aesthetically integrated text directly into images, handling everything from marketing slogans and infographic labels to multilingual translations with a graphic designer's precision. It can take an English advertisement and generate a localized version in Japanese, not only translating the words but adapting the visual elements to suit cultural context, a task that requires a deep, almost sentient grasp of nuance. This is complemented by its ability to follow instructions with an almost preternatural degree of nuance, adhering strictly to complex layered prompts to capture the specific mood, lighting, and composition a user envisions, effectively acting as a mind-reading art director. Leaked previews even suggested the model employs a multi-step human-like cognitive workflow where it plans an image, renders it, and then proactively analyzes and corrects its own mistakes in several internal loops before presenting the final result, a form of artificial metacognition that makes the creative process feel less like commanding a tool and more like collaborating with a prescient, tireless artist. The implications of this technology are cascading across industries, turning speculative use cases into mundane reality. In the hands of architects and designers, Nano Banana 2 is transforming conceptual workflows. Users are now feeding it rough 3D models from SketchUp and receiving photorealistic art-directed renderings of their unbuilt homes, complete with specific lighting and interior finishes renderings, so convincing they are being handed directly to contractors for construction. Homeowners are uploading photos of their backyards and, through iterative dialogue with the AI, previewing complex landscaping overhauls. experimenting with hardscaping and structural changes that previously required expensive professional consultations. In the enterprise, partners like WPP are using it to generate marketing collateral for clients like Unilever, slashing editing time from hours to seconds by leveraging the Model S factual grounding to ensure product representations are flawlessly accurate. The model is being deeply embedded across Google's ecosystem, from the Gemini app and Google Search to the AI-powered video editor Flow and even Google Ads, making this reality-bending capability the default ambient creative layer for billions of users. As the line between the generated and the real dissolves, Google has also moved to make the provenance of these images paradoxically more transparent and secure. Every image forged by Nano Banana 2 carries an invisible ***SynthD watermark ***, a digital signature imperceptible to the human eye but readily identifiable by machines, ensuring that AI-generated content can be verified even as it becomes more futuristic. This is coupled with support for the industry standard ***C2PA content credentials ***, effectively creating a verifiable nutrition label for images that details their origin and edit history. A critical infrastructure for maintaining trust in a world where seeing is no longer believing. With the SynthID verification tool already used over 20 million times, it's clear the public is hungry for these guardrails. Nano Banana 2, therefore, presents a duality that is both thrilling and disorienting. It hands users a device of near-infinite creative potential, capable of materializing any thought with flawless fidelity while simultaneously embedding the tools to detect its own deceptions. It has made the impossible instant perfect. Knowledgeable visual creation and everyday utility, quietly breaking and then rebuilding our shared understanding of what an image is, where it comes from, and whether it can ever be trusted again.